What's good, y'all? Husband series, husband life. My Maytag. Hold on. My Maytag is reading E1 F03. So I'm about to take off the back and try to clean the trap. Hopefully, it's the trap that is being clogged, which is causing my washer to read that. Now, you know, you call the people out here, they gonna charge you $500-$600 to do this. So I'm just gonna try to get it done right now. I'll show you guys as I go. So when you get to the back, you know, they tell you to unhook this. My water lines are kind of long, so I didn't have to unhook them, just pull those out. But what I did was I'm taking out the screws right here, all the way around, and I'm gonna go in and show you guys what I do. All right. So yeah, E1 F03, had to take the bolts off, as you guys can see. So now what I'm gonna do is the bottom. Got a little thing right there. This right here. That. And I'm gonna unscrew this and see what comes out. That's the trap. That's what they say you have to clean. So as you guys see, you got a little water coming out. You continue to unscrew and you clean the trap. So what happens? Look at this. Would you look at this? Socks. So once we clean this trap off, guess what? E1 F3 should be no more. All right, thank you for tuning in. So after cleaning the trap, and I ain't talking about the trap house, I'm talking about that Maytag. I ain't got no problems, no worries. That thing running like new. Tune in. Everything I do, I'm gonna put it on here so y'all can see how we do it. Husband life, dad life, don't want to spend $500 life.